So I get a message, and it's from one of the winners. So I think it's from one of the winners anyway. And it's saying that the message says that I'm budgeting. I'm a single mom. Basically, I'm a single mom. And the reason why I do my budget is because I'm trying to feed my kids. So of course that pulled at my heartstrings. I'm like, what can I do to help this person who's watching my channel, who's one of the We Budgets crew, who is having trouble, whatever it is, whatever, having some issues, as working on her budget because she's a single mom and because she's trying to feed her kids, and apparently it's not working, and she needs some help because she just happened to win, and that was our way to get connected, basically, for me to be able to help her out more. And just in this, I realized that in our talking that that the profiles don't really match. So now at this point, it's the third or fourth. It's after I've already sent the first PlayStation cards to the first mom who was trying to help her daughter get something for her birthday. And now it's a lady who is a single mom who is trying to feed her kids. So I want to help, only for it not to be the person and somebody to just be trying to take my money. Here's more. Good evening. Welcome if it's your first time to my channel, to the We Budgets fam, the We Budgets crew. Welcome back. Just want to give a quick update on life. So as you're aware, recently did the giveaway, and I don't know, it was a kind of a crazy experience. So I had a couple, I guess just fraudsters out there. I guess they're watching our videos and looking for opportunities to take advantage of our desire to get ahead and to be a community. So I had a couple, there were 5 winners to the giveaway that I did, I think just earlier this week. And like instantly, as soon as that video aired, time enough for the names to get out there, I got emails. The first one I got, I was really excited. I'm like, okay. She watched the next video and she saw that she was a winner, and she emailed me like I requested. I was excited to hurry along and get her gift card out. She had a great note thanking me for the giveaway, being in support of the channel and our community, and mentioned that she had a daughter whose birthday was coming up and that a PlayStation gift card would be great. I got a kid. There was a time where the PlayStation cards were the big deal. So it made sense. So I went ahead and I did find the PlayStation cards on Amazon. I went ahead and I even bumped the number up because I'm like, hey, it's for her kid, and she noted that it was a birthday, so I added extra $5, $25 for the gift card. So I went ahead, sent it out. In that time of going back and sending the card to the email address, I got a similar message that was almost identical to the first, and that was the first suspicion. But then they just kept coming in, multiple emails with the same photos and the same names as the winners, but they were suspicious. There was characters off. They just were clearly not the same people, but I didn't realize it until after I'd already sent a couple of the giveaway prizes, unfortunately. So that's where we were with that. Yeah, it was frustrating to say the least. But as always, there's always silver lining. There was a couple other winners who were great. They messaged in and they were excited to be a part of the giveaway. But they asked that instead of them receiving the giveaway prize, that their prize be just kind of given to someone else in need. and I thought that was great. Like them not even knowing the situation I was going through, trying to confirm the actual winners, and having faced the fraudsters out there who had basically just lied and took advantage of the giveaway. But unbeknownst to them, they were kind of just restoring my faith in this whole process, restoring my faith in our community. I don't count it against the community at all. I guess it's just a reminder that, you have to be cautious everywhere you are, in all capacities and all you do. You just have to be aware because there's somebody that's looking and waiting to take advantage. It's crazy, but it's the case. So I don't know if they want to be mentioned. You don't want to. Your good deeds are supposed to be, done, and your rewards come from that. So if I get any messages, if you're out there and you decide to kind of say, there was one person who also wanted to donate her winnings to my family binder, which I thought was awesome. Like she just wanted to she listened to my story and where I mentioned that I'm available and I try to do my best when I get a call from the family. And she just wanted to, because her being in a similar situation, wanted to donate to the family binder. So I thought that was awesome too. So, you know, lesson learned. Moving forward, as far as the giveaways, it won't dissuade me from doing giveaways in the future. It will definitely, have me more cautious. I've learned. It's a learning experience, and I receive it as that. What I did do is make a couple new envelopes. I made a new giving envelope and a giveaway envelope. So what I plan to do, so again, I'm not going to stop doing giveaways. We're going to find a way to do more and to do them better. And I made 2 new binders to make sure we make it happen. What I've usually done as far as my giving, I've always taken it out of my green binder, my primary spending binder, and I just get it from there. So what I'll do is I'm going to add the new envelope to my green binder. I'm actually going to put these in here since it's out. And then I'll start budgeting in for my giving for this binder, which I think is great. Like I said, it's a plus. Besides that, it's been a full day. It's actually really late right now, and it's 11:30. So just want to kind of get this off my chest so I could put it behind me and just move on from it. And that's where I'm at. So I'm going to start these new envelopes and cautious and giving caution to you all if you haven't experienced or you haven't done giveaways, just to be aware. I'm going to ask the community what the best way is to confirm that people are who they say they are, so that nothing like this happens again. I'm going to put giving in here. But just be aware, they're out there and they are coming with profiles that are they're using our profile pictures and they're using our names and basically stealing from our crew. And we don't want that. So be aware. Besides that, all is well. I did want to go ahead and actually I'm going to pull some of the money out this is the leftover money from the 1,000 subscriber challenge. So we had 2 people that wanted to donate their money. And I really do appreciate the lady that wanted me to donate it to my family binder. But what I want to do instead is just put it into the giving binder. And I would definitely find a good home, a good person for this money. I want to put the money that was meant to go into my family binder into the giving binder, the new giving envelope. And I'm like backwards. I don't know what to do with no writing on the front of there. And I'm going to put this other 20 from the other lady who asked to pay it forward into giveaways for our next set of giveaway. So just like that, we've got money for our next giveaway. It's short. I just wanted to stop by. I wanted to say that. Besides that, life is good. I'm excited to wrap this month up and go ahead and budget for June is what I'm ready to do. How's your budgeting going? How's your tracking going? How's your month going? Expenses going okay? I am working with an agency right now, just working towards my goal of home ownership and doing what I have to do to make that happen. I feel like I'm putting these in here backwards. So I'm going to actually wrap this up. I'm not going to keep you here. I actually thought that's what I would do right now, but yeah, I don't want to sit here for this. Just wanted to say thanks for all the support that you've given. I appreciate just how y'all are coming out for me, how we can come together as a community and just really support one another. I'm looking forward to doing more giveaways in the future. Not gonna be dissuaded into not doing them. I just want to make sure that we're all safe, that we are, not being taken advantage of. So just bringing some awareness to the situation that I faced. It was a good deed, and we'll receive it for that. All right, we're all set here. I'm gonna leave this for now. Hope everybody's well. Have a good night. It is Wednesday night. Be safe out there. Take care of yourself. Until next time, see you soon. Peace.